Hi guys, so today I thought of making garlic butter baked chicken thighs with the Beko freestanding electric oven. So a little bit about the oven, it's the #1 brand for home appliances in Europe, and also you can see it has a very modern and a stylish look. So to start off, we got to preheat the oven first of all and then prepare the chicken. First of all, we need to pat the chicken dry using a paper towel. Prepare the garlic butter. I'm going to add the butter, garlic, a little bit of lemon zest and thyme into a large bowl and combine it well. Okay, so our garlic butter is ready. Now we are going to rub it all over the chicken thighs. Also, don't forget to rub it under the skin as well. Okay, so now we're going to transfer the chicken to a baking tray. Alright, so now we're going to place some lemon slices on top of the chicken and throw in some cut baby potatoes. We're going to sprinkle some pepper and some salt. Okay, so now we're going to bake the chicken in our Beko electric oven for about 35 minutes. Okay, so our chicken is ready and we are going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top of the chicken. Okay, so here's our garlic butter baked chicken thighs. Enjoy!